In this video, I will let you know that how to delete a volume or a partition disk for which you are getting a problem that there is any error like this. See here, I am going to format this file, and if I start the formatting, it will say some notifications, and you can see here that Windows cannot format this drive. Quit any disk utilities or any other program that are using this drive. It means you have opened some file from this drive or you are using this drive. But at this moment, I am not using this drive because I have not opened any file. So simply, what will I do to resolve this issue? I will simply click on the right button on the mouse pad, and then I will go to properties. Then I can see here the four options. Last option is advanced system settings. I will click on this, then I will click on this advanced. You can see here different tabs. You will go to advanced. This is by default tab. You will click on the settings, then click on advanced, then go to this change icon, and you can see here the volume is nominated as system managed. Simply you have to change this to no paging file and set. When you will set its status will change to none, then press OK. And this is asking you that changes you have made require you to restart your computer before they can take effect. Then you have to press OK, and your computer will be restarted automatically. I will restart my computer and will be back to you to let you know that how can we proceed. Now my disk has lessened space as compared to previous case. Now I will click right on the new volume D, and I will press format, and I will start the formatting and press OK. So this will be new volume formatting complete. uh, I will close this button, and then I will again go to this PC, and I will right click and manage, and we'll see a bar like this one, and we'll click on disk management, then go to C. Here in C you can right click and sorry, here you on D you will right click and see here delete volume. Go here and see which is the disk. This is new volume D. We will go to new volume D, and we will click on the volume deletion. Yes, confirm, because if you have any sort of data, any important data in that D disk, don't keep that data in D because it will be erased permanently and you will be unable to back up this data. So press yes. Uh, you can see here as unallocated. So simply now go to C because we want to expand C. This file is located just right to the C. So simply right click on the C, and here you can see the extend volume. And if I click on this E, here is extend volume is not open, mean this is blur. This is not active. Here we can see that the volume is active because an unallocated space is there on the right side of C, on the just right side of C. So I will write here extend, and I will calculate. Let us say I want to add some 5 GBs data. So 1024 times 5 will be 5120, 5120 MBs. Here we will specify in MBs. Press next and finish. You can see here the space of C is increased. Now we have an unallocated space of 50.17 GB. We will rename. You can allocate this whole to this C disk, or according to your requirement. Uh, then go to this one and click on new simple volume. Click next, then it will be D OK because this was D already. So click now next, and keep remember here this will be NTFS file type, and next and finish. This will be formatted, and a new folder or new volume will be created in your hard drive. This is how you can increase the space of your C drive. See, this was 102 GBs previously, now it is 107, and volume D is now 50 GB. Previously it was nearly 55 GBs. Thank you very much. I hope so that you will like my video. Take care.